So all you do is rotate. Hi, I'm Charlie, co-founder of Charging Pro, and here's an overview of MagFlött Sketch 360. The most prominent feature for Sketch 360 is the rotation disc. A lot of people like to draw horizontally, but there's a lot of people also that like to draw vertically. Put your finger in the hole and then rotate it just like that. This is the lowest angle, and this is pretty much the angle that I prefer drawing at. And obviously I'm sort of on a standing desk, so if I'm sitting or actually sort of standing, I would like to have my wrists and my hand and my arm parallel and draw with a nice support system and draw just like this. So let me show you at least maybe halfway through. This is what it looks like if you're a little bit more of an upright drawer, right? One thing I noticed, if I do have a cover out like this, it does take a lot of desktop real estate. So I was thinking, well, why can't we fold it in half? So that's what we did. Can fold it in half, and boom. Magnetized, and now you have a nice compact stand that's not going to take a lot of room, and you still have a good drawing angle, upright drawing angle to draw on, right? This is more of a presentation mode. I don't know if anybody draws this high. And then again, you have all these grooves that you can draw on. So we have this metal kickstand, super thick, super strong, right? It actually can magnetize on the back, right? So it's not gonna flop around when you're carrying it anywhere. So the Sketch 360 has built-in magnets that will actually attach firmly into the iPad, into the board. But I'm trying to knock this out, and it's on there pretty strong. We have a nice big opening for the heat to dissipate from the iPad. So, and here is the view of the rear. The iPad won't fall out. So you have two safeties, right? You have the magnets that actually attaches the iPad into the board, and also magnets that actually clasps and secures the iPad in. All right, now going back to the rear has 4 rubber feet. So when you're actually laying it down, it's not rubbing on plastic. So it's nice and stable, very sturdy, right? It's very thin for what it is, right? You have to account for the iPad's thickness, the drawing board, and the cover, right? So this is the thinnest as you can get for such a sturdy board. MagFlött Sketch 360 also comes with my patented U cable. So all you do is plug the USB-C into the USB-C port, and you have a nice clean design. There's no cables that's running through, no obstruction, since this is curved behind the device. Next is the Apple Pencil slot. I made sure to make it extra long, but also have more space for people who use sleeves or grips on the Apple Pencil. And we have the volume buttons accessible and the power button accessible from the front. So a lot of people like to draw and listen to music at the same time. So when I was designing this, speaker grills on the iPad will be blocked. So these slots will actually allow the music to come through and actually curve towards your face and your ears. It actually sounds louder and much clearer for the sound to bend and to listen to. So these are why the nice little feature I thought people who listen to music and draw at the same time would appreciate. The Sketch 360 is a way for digital artists and iPad users to improve their health and to make sure they enjoy drawing as long as possible. If you guys love it, let me know. If you guys think it should be better somehow, tough, because I've been working on this for the last 2 years and I've already had a lot of feedback, and this is pretty much the final design. And I think it's pretty neat that a lot of people are very interested in it. There'll be more details about it soon. So look out for that, and I hope you guys support me and this project. All right, guys. I appreciate it. Thank you.